How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can create a curved text in Onshape. So I'm going to use this basic cylinder shape on my plane. And basically the first thing that you want to do is to just create a new plane that simply aligns with the surface that you want to attach the wrap text to. So let's click on plane, and then I'm going to attach my plane onto the front plane right here, or front origin. And then I'm going to do the opposite direction since my cylinder is onto the opposite side. And then of course, once again, you just want to make sure that everything is aligned perfectly. With this one, with 1 inches, I think it's good enough, but of course you could adjust this even further. So maybe we could do something like 0.8, and then we could see the changes right here. Now I'm going to do something like 1 inches just to make sure that it's easier to navigate to. Let's click on the check button. And now that we have our plane, you can now add your text. So let's click plane. Let's then apply a sketch, and then let's add our text right here. So let's do this one. Let's add our text, and then let's do something like guide. Hit on check once again. And now that we have our text and our shape, we then want to head over to this specific option, and then you could just click on the wrap function. So the first thing that you want to do is to click on the object that you want to wrap onto the main shape. So it's going to be our text. I'm going to turn this into something like solid. And then for the target, you want to click on it and then click on your cylinder, and then it will simply wrap our text around that specific shape. Of course, you can apply the changes the way you want to, but generally that's how you create the curved text in Onshape. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.